everyone, I'm Avtaars. I hope you're having a lovely day. Part 2 of this series, I'm talking whether or not to soak dals. The reason to soak dals, it saves you that cooking time. And another reason, particularly when it comes to the beans or chickpeas, it helps you with digestion as well. In my part 3 series, I'm talking about our favorite dal, kali or kala. The direct translation is black. This dal, I've taken 2/3 of black dal and I'm taking 1/3 of red moat, and I'm not even going to soak this. I'm just going to wash it thoroughly and put it on for boil. Coming back to my black-eyed, I soak them overnight. For demonstration purposes, I've actually taken the water out just to show that how much they have doubled up in size. Not every dal will double up so much in size. It's mainly the beans and the chickpeas. My measurement was this here, and if I just put it into a bigger matching bowl, that's what I started off with, quantity wise, pre-soaking. And once I have soaked them overnight, they've already doubled up. The bowl is already filled with them. There is nutrients which have escaped into that water, so I'm going to use the same water for boiling. I'll just talk a little bit about the measurements. I personally do not go and use the weighing scale to measure dals or beans. This is what I do, and this will actually give me good adult size portions, 6 to 8. Weight wise, this is 200 grams. And so is this one. Once you brought your pulses to boil over the high heat, I tend to turn the heat down. So one boil on the high heat, and on the black-eyed beans, I've got the scum forming now. This is the protein. I wouldn't take it off, but if you don't want it, you can just pick it up with one of the sieves. That usually happens with the beans. No scum on this one. I'm going to turn the heat down now and cover it, let it simmer. In both of these, I've added a teaspoon of salt. 40 minutes into the boiling process. Now the way we can tell whether they are done is just pick one up and it goes completely mushy straight away when I do that. And that's gone completely mushy. So that is ready now, and I'll just have to prepare the sauce and simmer them. Because I'm going to add potatoes to this, so I'll have to do my potatoes to that stage where they are half cooked. Coming to my kali dal, mahdi dal. This has been boiling for good 45 minutes. Because I've mixed the two different dal, I'm actually having to try a few different pulses. Now if you look at it closely, you can actually see the grain there. So you can tell it's not done, it's not turning into complete powder yet. So this is still going to take more time to boil. I added water, another 3 bowls, and I think it can still do with more boiling water. So another 15 minutes, and these look ready now. They have gone much more softer. Remember that these were not soaked at all. If you want to save yourself the time, it's always a good idea to soak it. Now I'm going to prepare the sauce separately. I just want to show you, it's just the stock is separate and the grains are still full. They haven't gone to the mushy. Again, they have doubled up. These had already doubled up before even boiling because they were pre-soaked. And you can tell the stock is still very runny. So again, I'm going to make the sauce, and I shall also do these individually. After fully boiling dals, prepared, and I added that turka into dals. After that time, it's taken me roughly 15 to 20 minutes with each of them to get that final dish. They all take different timing, and the black dal with moat, that took me longer than the other one. Please refer to my other videos where I'm cooking these separately just for the cooking to show you what ingredients are gone in there. When it comes to serve my dala or my sabji, I can serve it with roti or rice. Until next time, God bless you all. Bye bye for now.